it's Lady Pops and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be making something based off of my most favourite game in the entire world, The Sims 4. And I played this game constantly throughout my childhood. I played it every weekend, every weeknight after school. I used to sit in school and daydream about playing it, and that is The Sims 4. Of course, back then it wasn't The Sims 4, it was Sims 1, 2 and 3. And throughout the series of games, there has been different things that you could make based off of The Sims. However, in the new Sims 4, there are these cookies that you can make. They're called the Flirty Heart cookies, and you can really only make them after your Sims make love. Oh god. So today we're going to be making those Flirty Heart cookies, and I thought they would be perfect for any upcoming, events. Valentine's Day, yeah, great Valentine's Day cookies that you can give to your significant others or your parents, or just sit in your bedroom and eat them while crying and eating ice cream, if you're single. But these cookies are really reminiscent of the cookies that we have here in the UK. I don't know if they are in other countries, but jammy dodgers. So I thought it'd be great to make these, and yeah, let's get started. So for this recipe, you're going to need 370 ml of strawberry jam, 100 grams of unsalted butter, 175 grams of caster sugar plus a little bit extra for sprinkling, 200 grams of plain flour, 1 large egg, a teaspoon of vanilla paste, some heart cookie cutters, and of course any decorational bits that you find. I found these little white shimmer pearls from Sainsbury's. So the first thing you want to do is combine your butter and sugar together in a big bowl. Next you want to add your egg. And a teaspoon of the vanilla paste. And then continue to beat that by hand until it's fully incorporated. Now you just want to tip your flour in and then just fold it over until it's like combined and looking nice, I think. That's what the instructions say, so let's do it. And now you want to take a piece of parchment paper and lay it flat like so. And then take your dough, which you should form into a ball, or be able to form into a ball. Put that on the side for a second, because I just remembered a step. You want to flour up your baking sheet. And then take your dough, pat it down like that. Now that that's all rolled out, you just want to put it into the fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes just to stiffen up. And while you wait for those to firm up, just prepare a baking tray with like a parchment sheet on top, just so you can transfer your cookies easily onto that as you're baking and making. You know what I mean. Now that it's out of the fridge and it's all stiffened, you just want to take your cookie cutters and you want to cut about 10 with this on its own, and then you want to cut another 10 with this and then this in the middle. Done the fun part of cutting it all out and put it onto the baking sheet. We just have to put these back in the fridge for about 10 minutes just to cool off. Then you want to put them into the oven for 7 minutes on gas mark 5. I don't know what that is in like other things, so use the wonderful power of the internet to look that up. The recipe for all this will be linked down below anyway. I have flour on my head. So yeah, bake them in the oven, gas mark 5 for 7 minutes. Then you want to take them out, get your caster sugar, sprinkle some of that on top, then return them to the oven for I think about 5 minutes. So let's do that. So you want to take your caster sugar and you really only want to sprinkle on top of the ones that are going to go on top, so the ones with the holes in. And I'm going to put it on some of the small ones I made as well. I think this just browns them off really. And now you want to put them back in the oven for 5 minutes. And now that they're out of the oven, they're now fully cooled. So it's the fun part now of decorating, which is actually super easy. You just add jam on the cookies, which are thick here, and then you get the one with the hole and sandwich it on top. And that's about it really. So let's do that. Some really awesome Flirty heart cookies inspired by The Sims 4. I absolutely love the way these turned out. Oh my god, they look like the real thing. They look like they're from the game. I am so super proud of myself. I think they look amazing and I can't wait for my family to come home to try them. They look really cool and I'm going to take one of these to my boyfriend. Even though I'm filming this a bit earlier than Valentine's Day, I think he'll still appreciate the little lovely heart sentiment. And I have to say, I did already try one of these little mini cookies on their own without the jam, and mate, they taste epic. They taste so good. But I'm just gonna try one of these first, just to see it, just before I hand these out to people that I love and care about. Cool, let's do this. Mate. They are like the best jammy dodgers I've ever tasted. I'm not even kidding. Jammy dodgers are like immense, amazing biscuits. But these, fresh, taste brilliant. Oh my god. Look at that cross section. Look how sexy that is. Mate, Babish would be jealous. Oh my god, it's really, really good. So these taste epic. I definitely recommend everyone go and make them, just so you're not missing out. But they also make a really great Valentine's Day present if you put them in a little heart box or something like that. Mate, cheap as well. Really cheap and easy to make. So go make it. So anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And have a wonderful Valentine's Day wherever you are. So I'm sending my love to you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!